Mr. Abbas, she says, in case you missed it, she says that this car was broken. Riju, look at this. I show the pictures again. I'll get Riju to respond, and Abhishek's audio is coming back. She says that the car draped with Narendra Modi's pictures, with a BJP flag put on it, was taken to a Muslim-dominated area of Kanpur and broken there. So the attempt, she says, is to create a Hindu-Muslim riot in Kanpur. Who's responding, Riju or Abhishek? Who's got that? Has Abhishek got the audio yet? No, okay, Abhishek's got the audio. We are opening up the debate right now. Did you both hear that one at a time?
Yeah.
She says that the car, now tell me one thing.
This is a BJP conspiracy to silence me, Mr. Goswami. They're interfering with our audio. You better look into this. Anyway, like I was saying before, lighter weight. I'm joking. I'm glad I made Sanju laugh. Anyway, look, and I know why are you struggling to smile? You can smile. And Mr. Anchor, you can smile. It's okay.
That's okay. Yeah, you come to the point. The Samajwadi Party leaders took a car, covered it with Modi's picture, put a BJP flag, took it to a Muslim-dominated area and smashed it. You want me to smile?
Let me answer.
You want me to smile at that?
You were smiling. You were smiling.
You want me to smile at that? Is it? He wants me to smile at something like that, viewers. Bizarre. Bizarre.
Okay. Now let me get my monologue in, please. Okay. Look, this is the new Samajwadi Party. There is no tolerance for gundagardi. There is no tolerance for violence. In the past, Samajwadi Party workers might have gotten away with it. Mr. Yadav has sent a clear message today. You indulge in this nonsense, you will be expelled from the party. Now, Sanju Verma, right? I think you should stop smiling and you should answer my question. When are you expelling Ajay Mishra? We have expelled the SP workers. They have engaged in a criminal act. We have expelled the criminal. We have expelled them. We have nothing to do with them. Why are you standing behind Ajay Mishra? Why are you standing behind Ajay Mishra?
Relevant question. Abhishek Sudhir, you asked a relevant question. Now let me answer. We are having a full debate. Let me answer. First and foremost, to draw a false equivalence between the cabinet minister MOS Hope of the Modi government with goons of the Samajwadi Party, please, I expect better of you.
Excuse me. Ajay Mishra is a goon.
Second. The Samajwadi Party
Ajay Mishra used to smuggle wood.
Sachin Kesarwani of Samajwadi Party is a goon. Your Sukanta Sharma of Samajwadi Party is a goon. And सबसे बड़ा goon is your लाल टोपी वाले अखिलेश यादव. आपके लाल टोपी वाले अखिलेश यादव is the biggest goon. Your party is not Samajwadi Party. It is Gundawadi Party. It is Lootwadi Party, Gundawadi Party, Namazwadi Party.
No, the question is, viewers, I think the point is being lost here. My point is, why was a car covered with BJP insignia? I am on the debate. I'd like PKD Nambiar to come in. I'd like Syed Abbas to come in. Why Riju Datta to come in? Why was a car covered with BJP symbols, the Prime Minister's face, and smashed in the middle of a Muslim locality in Kanpur? Let's not make light of this. It's a very serious matter. PKD.
Absolutely, there can't be anything more serious than this. On the one side, as you said, tower of money, the black money is being stashed in a particular place, and I don't know how many more places like this kind of a money of Samajwadi Party, which is meant for election, is hiding. We don't know. It's the time only going to tell. On the other side, they wanted to create communal confusion. They wanted to create political violence so that to aim at the ruling party that it is a different kind of a situation altogether. I think Samajwadi Party is
Where is the proof that it's Samajwadi
completely.
Party money?
Akhilesh Yadav is trying for his existence, and I think it's the time for the people of UP will understand, the people of India will understand.
Piyush Jain has donated to the BJP. Piyush Jain has donated
Where
to
is
the
the proof?
bonds.
Where is the proof? Show the proof. Where is the proof?
With Samajwadi
Where
Party
is the
money?
proof?
Where is
show
the proof with Samajwadi Party money?
You show the proof.
You
You've
show the
forgotten
proof.
about Piyush Jain.
You show me first and I'll
He's the
show
same
you.
person, no?
You show me the money, then I'll show you the money.
Launched Samajwadi
You show me the money, I'll show you
Why
the
don't you
trail.
talk about that Samajwadi
You show me the
which
money,
was launched
I'll
by
show you the
Akhilesh
trail.
Yadav along with Piyush Jain? Please tell me. Please tell
What?
me whose money is this?